and welcome to this video. My name's Thomas if you're brand new here, and in just a minute I'm going to be taking you into the shower with me to show you my during and after shower routine. Now, it is about 5:30 here in Australia right now, and I usually knock off work at about 5 o'clock, and because I'm an internet kid, I'm always on a computer, always staring at a screen. I am always sitting still and I get very fidgety and restless. So I find a workout at the end of my day really helps boost my endorphins, get me feeling a bit happier, and then I have a special routine that I do to wind down from the day and get me back to normal. So I'm going to show you that, but before we get into the routine, I have to go and put these guys in the fridge. These are a special little gadget that I'll be using today, and yeah, let's get on with this routine. I'll see you in the shower. And alrighty, holy hell, I'm naked. It's time for shower. So, like any normal human being, I just turn the taps on and I wet my hair a bit, do a little dance, and then I get straight into my routine. Now, this routine is actually very quick. I keep my showers to a minimum. If I'm washing my hair, I'll wash my hair and then scrub my body. If I'm not washing my hair, I'll just scrub my body and get out. But as far as shampoo goes in this routine, I'm using Bhave Scalp because my dandruff has been playing up, and for conditioner, I'm using Bhave Rescue, which helps repair my hair from any damage. Once I've put the conditioner in my hair, it's time to, oh my god, I hate it when the shower gel runs out. I just scrub my pits and my other smelly bits. After that, I just rinse everything off, and 3, 2, 1, I am done. Alright, so the next step is to clean my face thoroughly. So I do this with a spin brush and a basic face wash, and I just pretty much go over my face a couple of times to get all that dirt and crap from the day off. And then it's time for my new favorite thing, eye masks. I don't know if you guys have seen in a few of my other posts, but I've been wearing eye masks a lot lately to help dull down the soreness from looking at a screen all the time, and especially to help me not feel so gross when I have a hangover. I'm currently using these Zeatar ones. They're medical grade, cruelty-free, vegan, and eco-friendly. Like, look at me being all earthy. No, but seriously, these guys take eye masks to the next level, and their #1 goal is to make the best solutions for screen addicts like me, which I think is good and much needed. You can get these eye masks in packs of 5, and they've got really nice ingredients in them. They've got aloe vera for hydrating, green tea for firming, bitter ginger for moisturizing and brightening, and you've also got magnesium ascorbyl phosphate for lightening. Now, remember in the start of the video, I put some of these in the fridge? Well, we're going to go get them now, and I'm going to show you how to put them on your face. So like I said before, there is instructions and sweet little tips on the inside of this thing, but if you want to take my word for it, to apply the masks, you just tear open the sachet, peel the 2 external layers off the mask, and then gently apply it underneath your eye. Tilting your head on the left or the right, whichever way you're doing it, will make it sit better on your face, and then ta-da! You do that twice and you're done. In terms of usage time with these eye masks, you can either like pop them on for 15 minutes, do your hair routine and brush your teeth like I do, or you can leave them on for an extended period, and you can even sleep with them on. I also forgot to mention, after I put the eye patches on, I just use my Sanctum moisturizer. It's a water-based one, good for oily skin types like mine. It stops it from getting too oily, and yeah, I really like it. And for any of you that are curious about the products I was using in my hair, just back there a little bit, all I use for this routine for the end of the day is just a bit of Right Control oil from Bhave, a bit of Supernova, and also my beloved leave-in cream. All these products are really good for moisturizing the hair, and as you guys all know, I have really thick, coarse, dry hair. So yeah, I just tuck a bit of that in, and then I'm off. And then after I've put my hair products in, I pretty much just will wait till the 15 minutes is up for these guys, and then slide them off, which is exactly right now. Whoop. Whoop. And after you take them off as well, you just kind of like pat the rest of the solution into the under eyes, and yeah, they go all nice and clear and beautiful. I actually have really noticed a difference since using eye masks, so yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video and my routine. Please leave any comments that you have just down below and give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to leave the links to Zeatar and all the other products in the description box below for you, so you can go and check them out, and I hope you have a lovely week. I don't really have anything else for you. Please, if you are growing your hair out or want some hairstyle advice and tips, make sure you go and visit my Facebook page, Hairstyles in Action. There'll be a link for that in the description box below. And I hope you have a good week. See you later. Bye.